What's up, guys? We're back with another he for she while we're stranded inside for COV. No? Roll the intro. Okay guys, quick and easy one for you today. Basically, it's just about noticing flyaways and knowing what to do with them when you see them. So guys, if you notice that your girl's hair is going like all cattywampus and flying up and out and in a different direction than the rest of it, you know, you could be that guy to be the hero and just sort of like tame it down. Some things that I know everyone wants to do, and you've seen it all over media, is like they go and then they smear their wet thumb on the outside of the hair. Like, let's not do that. First of all, like in this day and age right now, let's not like spread the germs around. All right, so basically try not to use any water. If you can and you have access to oils, usually the oils on your hand is just enough to like tame your girlfriend or your wife's hair. You can just kind of pat it down and be very gentle with the outside of it. And just that little bit of like attention to detail, she will thank you for, because she can't see her hair all the time. So just noticing the flyaway is basically you handling it. Okay, if you also notice when you're at home that they have a lot of frizz and it's just very unruly, the old dryer sheet is always a good one, where you can just take their hair, wrap it in the dryer sheet and give it a little tug, and it usually completely takes all the frizz out and leaves the hair in complete glass, just because of the little bit of like fibers, the way that like these are created. They actually help with detangling and they just pull frizz right out of hair. So the dryer sheet always works, and that's a fantastic one. Go grab a dryer sheet from your wife's hair. Hey, maybe even do the laundry while you're there. Extra brownie points for her. And yeah, kill two birds with one stone. Okay, and of course, a little pro tip for you girls at home. If you are throwing your hair in a ponytail, and when you do so, let's see if I can just whip Laura's hair into a quick little pony. Oh good, it's already happening. Okay, so as I'm doing this, it's like manhandle my wife. As I'm doing this, you can see there's like, some of these little pieces are actually becoming sort of flyaway-esque. So if you want to smooth out flyaways on the top of your ponytail, you can just take the tail comb, push it in on the top, and start smoothing all of this top layer down over the top of your ponytail. And this a lot of times will remove all of your frizz and will basically make your ponytail look that much chicer. All right, so there is some great way to deal with flyaways. So hopefully we can tame all these flyaways together and still stay silky smooth. Remember, this is the only place you want to get your hair matted. We will see you tomorrow in another video. Stay safe, everybody.
I wish to be something special.